Kevin Alex Bent here with the next cool video from Earthworld Trade Academy. What's happening? Let's get straight to the point. What's happening today? I'm going to tell you about two products that I have here that I'm going to do an upgrade on my system. Okay, so we have a SSD right here, which is a 512 gigabyte, right? Just bought this one right here, 512. Okay, and here we have the deck, which is the hard drive flat deck station. This device will enable you to actually read your hard drive. No matter what size the hard drive is, you'll be able to do it. It's very compatible to actually fit various types of SSD. Okay, and if you look inside there, this is where you slot the SSD. Okay, so your PC or your laptop, in this case the Dell here, which is an i3, I have this for a while, still works, but moves slow sometimes, so I decided to upgrade. Okay, so the hard drive from here, you may have a lot of information in your laptop and you actually want to upgrade it. That's fine, but you don't want to lose the information. That's fine. You can actually get one of these, right? The hard drive flat deck station. Now what this one is, use a USB 3.0. So here is the USB. You just stuck it inside the laptop right there. Okay, and you plug it in, of course, and there's a button. Just press it and you're able to access the information that you have on your laptop. Okay, so you take that hard drive out and you put it inside here. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and just put this new hard drive that I just bought. It's not yet installed into my PC as yet, but this is how would you do it. You just go here and you slide it in. That, bam, and it fits it. That's it. And you're able to connect the USB cable to the PC, plug it in, press the button. That's it. And you can go to your PC, go to documents, and you can retrieve the information that is stored on your hard drive. Okay, so if you have a 256 SSD, SSD stands for solid state drive, or 480 SSD, or 512, or you have a standard issue SSD that comes with the laptop or the PC, you can remove it, buy an upgrade, install it. This device will enable you to read the information on the device. All right, so solid state drive, that's good. Hard drive enclosure, which is this, and the solid state drive, which is this right here. Solid state drive and the solid state drive enclosure, right? Hard drive enclosure. This is pretty useful to have, and I'm doing it. Just bought a battery as well. So this battery for the, sometimes you may find that your laptop is actually coming on, coming off, on and off. You may need to change the battery as well. For this PC here, it's used 40 WH watt. See it right here. That's where we find the battery that it used on the wattage, right? So it's pretty cool. Hope this information find you well. Like, subscribe for more information. If you find this information useful, leave a comment. If you have further questions, send me a message, DM, and so on. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope this helps to get your computer moving faster, and you want to actually store your information and actually retrieve your information whenever you want to retrieve your information, without taking out your hard drive and you don't know how to retrieve it, or you don't want to throw away your computer with all the information as well. So this is a pretty cool information tool to have to read your SSDs, solid state drive, hard drive and your information on your laptop or your personal computer, which is your PC. All right, thanks for watching. Kevin Alex Bent.